op. Anders gaan we het niet redden in 2 uurtjes. Kom. Staat hij aan? Ja, en nu ben je net...
Toch ook expres.
Het staat allemaal op beeld, hè? Staat aan. Zat hij aan? Is hij aan het filmen?
Nee, dat niet.
Niet?
Jawel.
Oh, wel.
Kijk hè. Ja, je batterij is bijna leeg en je kaartje is bijna vol.
Niet waar.
Ga nou maar, zo de meter op man.
Hello guys and welcome to the fest. Today we have the Xiaomi. Wat was het nou? De Pro S2? Guys, welcome to the fest. Today we have the Xiaomi Pro S2. It's an electric scooter, as you can see. It's extremely fast. Now, honestly, this thing is pretty nice. And here we have Robin making videos about the EV6. Now, ciao! And right now we are going to make a POV. And actually this is the first scooter that I see that has... This is the first scooter that I drove that has regenerative braking. And it's actually... It works pretty good. And we have one disc brake at the back. And we even have a braking light. And it has cruise control. And I actually love this way of... the throttle is like here with your thumb. We drove the Vsett a few weeks ago. And that was a little bit scarier. So right now it's in cruise control. And you can just get your thumb off like that and you tap it again. It goes to normal throttle. So let's go to the damn fast location. So this thing is actually pretty comfortable. It's not extremely fast like the Vsett. The 9 was pretty fast and the 10 Plus was just a killing machine with a 85 kilometers an hour, 90 kilometers an hour top speed. It's just stupid. If you want to see that video, you can find it right here. It is kind of a nice video, but you have to watch it till the end because there is where the magic happens. I think this looks all too familiar for you guys. The damn fast shooting location. So actually this power is way more manageable and it's far more comfortable to drive. I mean the other twos were just extremely fast. And here you can see what it looks like in the mirror. It looks like this. So this is kind of cool. If you give throttle long enough, then it automatically goes into cruise control mode, and then you can just leave it like that. That is very comfortable driving there. Oh, maybe we can go there. Okay, I'm going there. Check that out. This is just so chill driving. Right here we have a speedo, goes 24 kilometers an hour. That's just cool. That's great. 24 is enough. You don't want to go any fast with a scooter without a helmet. And here we have a horn bell thingy. And here you can see how full the charge is on the battery. Oh, this is not comfortable. Oh. So right now the battery is like 4 out of 5 bars, so it's probably around 80% maybe. I don't actually know what the range is of this scooter. I'll look it up and I'll put it into the description down below in the video description. So this scooter is actually front wheel driven, and as it is front wheel driven, it's a bit easier to handle. It's actually way easier to handle with a front wheel driven. So uphill it's not very fast. It does struggle quite a bit, to be honest, but it's not designed to go uphill. Yeah, the sound of the tire is pretty cool. It sounds like a TIE fighter. Ooh, very nice Mustang right here. So right here we actually have a flashy brake indicator, brake light. And you actually have an app on your phone where you control the scooter itself. So here we have a front light as well. You can just mount this steering back to there, and then you can just take it with you. So let's check out Robin if he's any further with the Kia EV6. We actually have a very nice Kia EV6. So Kia in Delft, the Netherlands, they got us a brand new EV6 with all the features and options that you can wish for. And there it is. And I'll probably be talking too much in this video. Ciao. This is a pretty nice scooter though. And it does some donuts as well. Burnout. Wait. Okay guys, but that's it for now. This is a pretty nice scooter. It's way more forgiving than the Vsett. I did not think I was being killed right there. I think this is pretty comfortable. So the Xiaomi S2 Pro is pretty nice. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.